Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto Service and Salvage out here in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU277. It's an 05 Toyota Camry featuring the V6 3.0 liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 95,218 miles on it. We got a front end collision on this one today. It's hit hard enough where I don't feel comfortable starting it. We'll get in the bay, we'll test it out, do a compression test, make sure everything's working just fine. But the way it sits right now, I don't want to cause any mess to the environment or anything else, so we'll wait till we get it inside where we can catch all the fluids. So we'll come on around. Everything looks pretty darn good on this vehicle all the way around besides the front end collision. So we're gonna hop on in. I do have battery enough to get some components going, so we'll show you some things working and not working in here. So the first thing that concerns me is the sunroof, but let's go ahead and get this thing turned on over for you. All right, so we got 95,218 on the mileage. Test out some windows. We're gonna keep them down just because it's hot outside. This one. Looks like all that works. We'll hop over here to the mirrors. Hop over here on the side. Looks like all that works too. Sunroof, like I was saying, ooh, it's actually stuck. Don't say sunroof is no good. It's actually stuck on itself there. So that's one thing we will not be able to inventory here. Let's see, seats. So these are your electric seats. Looks like those go pretty well. Radio.
Connect with you.
Looks like all that works just fine. No disc in there. Heater AC control. Looks like all that works. Heated seats. All that works too. So looks like we got everything we need on this beast. You guys got any questions, please let us know. Like I said, we are going to go ahead and do a run test on it, make sure everything runs in the bay. We'll have a second video for that. But as far as this one's concerned, we got UU277. This is my 05 Camry, bad sunroof, and got 95,000 miles, 218 on it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and God bless.